These instructions will explain how to use the blender shaft replacement tool to change the blender shaft on a Multiplex blend-in cup dispenser. Blender shaft replacement kits are available for blender shafts with closed or open bell housings. The Multiplex blend-in cup dispenser must have the following software or newer before updating the blender cycle counts: UI software version 4.0.8, mixer software version 0.19.0. Install updates if necessary. Software instructions may be found at multiplexbeverage.com. Verify you have all four pieces of the blender shaft replacement tool: one upper hub, one lower hub, and two cup holder clips. Warning: the blender shaft contains sharp blades. Do not touch the blades. Wear cut-resistant gloves when handling. Power the Multiplex blend-in cup dispenser off using the red switch located on the left side of the unit. Disconnect the power supply. Put on safety, puncture-proof gloves. Remove the plastic door. Then remove the grate from the blender area. Pull the cup holder approximately halfway down in the blender area. Lift the cup holder up as far as possible. While holding the cup holder up, install the two cup holder clips in place to hold the cup holder up out of the way. The blender shaft will remain in position in the middle of the chamber. Place the upper hub over the blender shaft as demonstrated. For the closed bell housing shaft, rotate the upper hub until it drops in place and can no longer be rotated. While holding the upper hub in place, raise the lower hub to engage with the upper hub. The two hubs will lock together. For the open bell housing shaft, the upper hub will sit loosely on top of the bell housing. For the open bell housing shaft, rotate the lower hub until the shaft fits into the slots, then twist the upper hub in the direction of the remove arrow. The two hubs will lock together. Once the hubs are locked together, twist the lower hub in the direction of the remove arrow to remove the old shaft from the motor. Please note the blender shaft has a long thread and it may take time to completely remove the shaft from the motor. Use caution not to cross-thread the shaft. Remove the lower and upper hubs from the old blender shaft by holding the upper hub firmly in place and twisting the lower hub in the direction of the install arrow. This will unlock the two hubs and allow removing the tool from the old shaft. Connect the lower and upper hubs to the new blender shaft by twisting the lower hub in the direction of the install arrow. To install the new blender shaft, place the top of the blender shaft into the opening in the blend area and tilt into the middle hole of the cup cover. Thread the new blender shaft into the motor by turning in the direction of the install arrow on the lower hub. Continue to turn the tool until new shaft stops turning and the shaft is tightened into place. It will take some time to completely thread the new blender shaft into the motor. Use caution not to cross-thread the shaft into the motor. Please note the shaft should only be hand tight. Never use a ratchet to install the blender shaft. Remove the upper and lower hubs from the blender shaft by holding the upper hub and blender shaft firmly and turn the lower hub in the direction of the install arrow. Holding the cup cover firmly, remove the cup holder clips. Carefully lower the cup cover. Repeat the process to replace the other shaft. It is recommended to replace both blender shafts at the same time. Verify the cup alignment rings are installed in the blender grate. Notify the manager if missing. Replace the grate in the blender area, then reinstall the plastic door. Plug the blend-in cup dispenser in and power on using the red switch on the left side of the unit. Push the unit back into place. Verify all drains are connected. To reset the blender count, navigate to the manager's menu on the Easy Touch screen. Enter A as the password, then press the green check. Press the down arrow. Press Shaft Replacement. Enter the correct password for each shaft, then press the green check. For the right side, the password is shaft R, and the left side, the password is shaft L. On the confirmation screen, select the green check. Select the back arrow until the screen returns to the Easy Touch screen. To confirm the blender cycle counts and the maintenance date is reset, select the Manager menu. Select A, then green check. Select the down arrow 3 times. Verify the blender cycle counts and maintenance date for the shafts changed have been updated. Make several drinks with the manager present to confirm operation. For further assistance, call Multiplex Technical Support at 1-844-724-2273.